Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Dude, so you can play like all the low frequencies and the high frequencies.
I can play from 24 hertz up to around 54.
That's good, dude. Is that what you wanted? Good range?
Yes, it's actually a Drew Jones design box.
Drew Jones, okay. Yes, sir.
All designs.
Yes, sir. Okay. Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Have you ever muted it?
Yes, once. The highest I've gotten was 52.9 in the kick, and I did a 50.3 on the dash.
Nice. 50s. All right. So could you tell me a little bit about the equipment and all of that?
Yeah, it's two Skar MP, 150.4 on the mids, and a 75.4 on the highs. And the Taramps MD8K on 4 Skar EVL 12s.
EVL. Oh, those blue lights are bright.
Yeah.
Do you? What is the box tuned to?
The box is 47 tuned to 47 hertz.
47. Okay. And did you build this?
I built it. I built it, but I got
designed by Drew. Yeah. Okay. And what vehicle?
The 97 Dodge Ram.
97. Do you have any batteries or alternator?
Yeah, I got a 140 amp alternator. I got 2 runs of 1 OFC 0 gauge to the back. I got 3 110 amp hour AGMs in the bed. Okay. And I got 110 amp hour under the hood.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Cody.
Cody. All right. Nice to meet you, man. What vehicle?
97 Dodge Ram.
97 Dodge Ram. All right.
Slam Ram.
Slam Ram. All right. Thank you. Nice doors. Yeah. It may not be pretty, but it's loud and it works. Yeah, exactly. That's what matters.
Alright, man, they look like shit.
Hey, it's not too bad, dude. I've seen way worse. People that look like they lived in here with trash everywhere, so this ain't bad. That looks good, though. I like it, dude. So, the back. What's up with the back? Is that so you can remove the subs?
Yes, that's an access panel.
Oh, nice. Is there anything back there or just the box?
It's just a bunch of tents and stuff back there right now.
Don't worry about it. I was just curious.
All there's back there is 3 batteries and wire.
Okay. Woo! Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.